Hi, this is Mrs. Rodriguez with another lesson video. Today we're looking at the math notes in CPM CC2's section 1.1.3, and it's on the mean. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my highlighter. The mean is the arithmetic average. Sorry about that. It's the arithmetic average, okay? So that's the first thing you want to keep in mind in your notes. Or you can just say the average, which is the term that most people use. Okay, so average or mean are interchangeable. Okay, so then it says to find the mean of a set of data, add all the values. Okay, so you're going to add all the values of the data and then divide by the number of items in the data. That's how you find the mean. So let's go ahead and write down our steps. Okay, so to find the mean, step 1 is you add all the values. And what they mean is you add all the numbers together. Okay, you add all the numbers together. And then that second step, divide by the number of items of data. Okay, so that means you're going to divide by the number of numbers that you have. Okay? You're going to divide by the number of numbers you have. It's how many numbers you have. Okay? How many numbers you have. Okay, so let's take a look at an example. I know the book or these notes give you one, but I like to do my own examples. So, examples. Let's say we have the numbers, I don't know, let's see. Let's say you have the numbers 0, 4, 6, and 2. 0, 4, 6, and 2. Okay, so step 1 would be to add all the numbers. So it'd be 0 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. And if you add those together, 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, now we're ready for step 2, which is divide by the number of numbers you have, how many numbers you actually have. So in this case, we have, let me get a new color, 1, 2, 3, 4 different numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers that they gave us in our set of data. And yes, the 0 is a number, so we count it. So that means we're going to do 12 divided by 4. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. So our mean equals 3. Okay? As always, if you have questions or need additional assistance, please come see me during office hours. Have a good day.